is us, man. Woo! Woo! So, where y'all from?
I'm ready to throw out the lazy boy out there.
Pennsylvania? Where are you from?
Indiana.
Indiana.
Yep.
Welcome to the show.
What part from Indiana?
Purdue University. You ever heard of that?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Kind of young there, fella, but I'm going to give you something early.
Thank you.
There you go. Thanks for visiting our booth.